Hey guys, it's Nomad here with Urban Nomads. So I'm going to do this video about one of my favorite nomads. Her name is Hobo Ahle, and she's just freaking awesome. I mean, I stumbled on this girl about a week ago, maybe, and I saw on YouTube it said like, 10 places to sleep in your car or something like this, and I don't know. I've slept in my car a couple times. We probably all have. I mean, some of us. And I just, it didn't. I'm like, God, who wants to sleep in their car? Like, I hate sleeping in my car. And I mainly hate it because I can't sleep horizontally. I hate sleeping sitting up and blah blah blah. And then there's this whole stigma about living in your car. It's like, oh my God, I'm living in my car. I'm a loser. I'm homeless. I'm this. I'm that. And that. I'm still affected by that stigma, right? So when I saw that, you know, this video title, I just was like, well, I'm doing this urban nomads thing. Let me see what she's talking about. I didn't know who it was, right? And man, I tell you, like, first of all, like, this girl is incredibly wise and inspiring and just amazing, really. Like, I mean, like these millennials nowadays, they're just like these wise old souls who've come to save our planet or something. I mean, it's just amazing, and she's definitely one of them. And when you watch her videos, I mean, they will just turn your whole perception about living in your car 180 degrees. I mean, really. After you watch her videos, you will not see it the same again. And of course, the video is not the same as doing it, but my thing is like, man, if this girl, no insult to her because she's obviously a woman now, but in her first video, she's obviously a young girl, or young woman, like college age, like 19, 20 or something. And, you know, so I'm like, if this girl can do this, anybody can do this. I mean, really, there's just no excuse, honestly. Like, it's scary. Yeah, scary to try to make this move, to break out of the system and go out into the unknown. But if you're having any trepidations, if you're like interested in this alternative lifestyle and you're, of living in vehicles or whatever, or boats, whatever, and you're having issues about it or fears or insecurities, just watch this girl's videos and it'll like shut that up right away. Like, so, um, so check out her channel. It's Hobo Ahle. I'll include the link below. She already has a ton of followers. I think she has over 100,000 subscribers, which I am not surprised. I mean, when you first see her, you just think, oh, she's just, another millennial, whatever. You don't think there's really anything special about her, really. But when you hear her talk, you're just like, dang, like, wow, she is so awakened. It's like a lot more than a lot of other people. I'm like, these millennials, man, and sometimes I'm just like, where did they get this stuff? But anyway, check out her channel, Hobo Ahle. The link's at the bottom. And yeah, it's just amazing. Like, and her channel is awesome. I've actually watched more of her videos. Like, I have like maybe 5 favorite nomads that I follow on YouTube, and I actually followed more of her videos than anyone else. The only other people that I watched before as much was the Gone with the Wind people who are now sailing a sailboat. Um, but she has a lot of good, practical, down to earth advice that can help you. So, in my case, I'm about to buy a used RV, and so a lot of the stuff that she deals with living in the car, we are going to deal with, like, where to shower, where to go to the bathroom, where to park, um, you know, how you feel. There's other things she deals with too, and she doesn't just sugarcoat it like, oh, this is so great. Like, she gets deep into like the emotional or spiritual or emotional or psychological states that you go through, like, feeling ashamed of where you are, or am I some kind of loser because I'm in the RV, which is what the society teaches you, right? I mean, it's like, yeah, right. You know, if I'm paying, $1,500 a month in rent, I'm legitimate. But if I'm not paying rent and saving tons of money living in an RV, I'm some kind of loser. Like, what kind of backwards reverse psychology is that, man? I mean, gosh. Anyway, yeah, so check out our channel. It's just really awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce her to you guys. I'm going to do that with all my favorite nomads. There's a ton of them out there. It's growing every day as people become more aware of this lifestyle and the benefits and break out of the system. It's just going to grow and grow and grow. I mean, the whole tiny house thing is growing, and now van life on Instagram is growing, and it's going to just keep growing, I think. And it's part of a deeper transformation our society is going through, I think, where we break away from these controlling systems. So yeah, check her out, Hobo Ahle. Talk to you soon.